Nõmme kapten Maximiliano Udje. Maxi, a very eventful match and I'm sure a very enjoyable 3-2 win for Nõmme.
Of course, you know, when there is a beginning of season with one trophy, one win with a good opponent like Levadia, because we know that Levadia will fight with us and Flora in the season, so always it's good result, and very happy to have the Super Cup in our home now.
The start of the second half by Kaili was a very intense one, a very successful one as well. You managed to take the lead after losing the first half. What were the talks? What were the what was the message inside the dressing room at halftime that you managed to come out and do such a good start to the second half?
In first half, I think for 25-30 minutes was also pretty good. No, just after we get this goal for not for them chance, but our mistake. So we have to continue in this way, and we say that when we start second half, we have to be more aggressive and press them more high, and this is the result. No.
How important was this Super Cup? How much did you talk about this match, this trophy before the match?
Honestly, we don't talk a lot about it. You know, of course, it's an important trophy. Everybody want to win, but you know, we have that is today one winner will be or us or Levadia. So we come to play our game, and this is the result. But of course, we are very happy.
Based on today's performance, is Kaili ready for the start of Premium League season on the way as you should be ready, considering that you have Paide on Friday?
Yeah, of course. You know, we have to work a bit more stuff more. You know, we have it this week, so now of course we celebrate a bit, and after from tomorrow already focus about Friday and prepare for this championship.
And it seems that this pink uniform is a lucky one for you, so I think Kaili will want to wear it as often as possible this season.
We will see, I hope so.
Okay, thank you Maxi, congratulations and all the best.
Thank you very much.